How to log someone out of your Facebook account. So go ahead and open your Facebook application. Once you're in the Facebook homepage, click on the menu icon on the lower right corner of the screen. Scroll down till you see Settings and Privacy. Click on that and then select Settings. Now in this page, click on the second option, which is the Password and Security. It is under the Accounts tab. Now here, look for the label "When you're logged in" and click on the See All button beside that. It will direct you to every device where your Facebook account is logged in, together with its location and the time when it was opened. Now to log out one, just click on the three lines icon beside that specific device, and then this window will show below. All you have to do is click on log out, and that someone will be logged out of your Facebook account. Just do that to every device that you want to log out, and that's it. That is how to log someone out of your Facebook account. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.